Hello, good morning. Are you the owner of this store? I want to buy something, please. Good morning, sir. Yes, I am. Tell me, what are you looking for? We have everything here. We have clothes, boxes, ornaments, presents, toys, everything. Oh, nice. And this flea market is new, right? I used to go to the other one. Oh, you mean the one who is 10 blocks from here? Yeah, this is a new one. It's better. I think it's great. We need more flea markets in our city. Do you know why? Sometimes you can find better things here than in the supermarket or the mall. Seriously. Also, you find some things you will never find in the mall. I think it's great. Yes, that's correct. And what are you exactly looking for? Clothes? Toys? Oh, sorry, yeah. Do you see this jacket? I'm looking for a similar one, but in blue. I have a wedding party this weekend, and I need that blue jacket for that day. Do you have one? A blue jacket. I have one, but it's not like the one you have. It's different. You must be medium size, right? Well, the jacket I have is large size. I don't think it fits you. I see. Well, I can try it on, and then we'll see if that jacket fits me or not. I don't think so, but I have a red jacket, which is very similar to the one you have. The jacket is made of cotton and is very soft. It was made in Japan. You will love it. But I don't want a red jacket. What happens is that I have blue pants. Do you understand? I get it. You want a jacket that goes with your blue pants. I understand. Exactly. But just to know, how much does this red jacket cost? As I told you, it was made in Japan. The material is cotton and it has beautiful details. And the most important is that you can use it in formal and informal events. It's fantastic. Yeah, alright. But how much does it cost? I need to know the price. Yeah, sure. This jacket, new, cost around $1,000 in selected stores. But I'm selling it for just the half price. It cost $500. Only for today. $500 for a jacket. You must be kidding. That's a lot of money for just a jacket. But it is quality. The material is the best. And it is almost new. You won't regret it. If I wanted to pay that much money, I could go to the same store to buy it new. I can give you $100. That's all I have to buy that jacket. $100? I don't think so. I'm losing $400, sir. Listen, I will buy more things, okay? For example, a tie. I need a good tie. I would like a tie made of linen and with a minimalist design. Do you have any? Sure, I have a lot of ties. We have them in red, blue, sky blue, pink, purple, and golden. The red one will be fine for me. How much does it cost? I will take two of them, the red and the blue one. Each tie costs $15, but if you take two, you can pay only $25. Let's do something. I will take three ties, and all I can give you is $20 for them. Alright. What color would you like the other tie to be? Also red? No, blue. I will take two blue ties and a red one. I also need a pair of shoes. Of course, sir. I have some special shoes. We have the brown ones over there. They are leather shoes that I am sure will last for many years. Great quality. They look great. Let's talk about the price. And don't tell me they cost $500. No, of course not. Give me $100 for the shoes. Nah, too expensive. I can give you $50. You can take it or not. What do you say? $50? I don't think so. It's leather, sir. What about 75? 60. All I can give you is $60. I don't have more money. Alright, $60. What about socks? You will need new socks too, right? Not really. I have some black socks at home. But show me what you have. Well, we have these dark blue socks which you can wear with your blue pants. They will fit you perfectly. Yeah, maybe. They look great. And how much are they? I want two pair of socks. One pair of socks costs $2. If you take two of them, it will be $1.50. $1 for the two pair of socks. That's what I can pay. Is that okay? Alright. $1. Do you want anything else? Well, since it's a wedding party, I would like to give the new couple a gift. What do you have? Well, we have a lot of things. You can give a silver cutlery set, or maybe a blanket. No, no, I like the idea of the silver cutlery set. How much is it? Since it's silver, it costs more money, you know. Give me only $200. 200? No, of course not. I can give you $50. No, that's not gonna happen. It's silver. My last offer is $100. I will give you $80. Come on, it's a good price for a silver cutlery set. Alright. I think I can take it. Anything else? No, that's all. I think I have all I need. How much will it be all? I want to know. Let's see. Your jacket, shoes, socks, the ties, the silver cutlery set. It will be only $220. That's little money for everything you get. Let's say $200. I think that's a fair price. Come on, I will come back soon. All right, give me $200 for all. You are good at bargaining. I love buying at a flea market. I will come back soon. Don't worry.
I hope you really liked this conversation. If you could improve your English and practice a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.